Okay, so welcome back. Today I want to teach you about a diagram writing. All right, so to write a diagram, first we need to look at the question. Let's look at the question here. The diagram below shows how instant noodles are manufactured. Summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features and make comparisons where relevant. So this is the question. It's about a diagram. So while reading a question, we understand it's about a diagram and it's about manufacturing instant noodles, right? So here, when you just look at the word manufacture in your mind, you have to start thinking about what other words are similar to the word manufacture. We have pro production, right? Manufacture, produce, make, right? These are some of the words that you can use in your writing. So when we look at this, you can see there are numbered stages. 1, 2, 3, 4. So up until 8. Basically, by looking at this diagram, we can say that there are 8 stages involved in manufacturing instant noodles. All right. So that's how you're going to start writing. So just by looking at this diagram, you understand how many stages are involved and what are the verbs that we can use here. So we are making noodles, right? So, and let's look at it. So here we have storage silos and we have the flour, right? The mixer, and we make the flour and we mix the flour in the rollers to make dough sheets and then dough strips. Then they become noodle discs. So you remember instant noodles, they are like discs, right? And after that, there are some ingredients. So when you make things, a lot of elements that we add to make something, then we call them ingredients, right? And then look at the packaging stage. We put them in cups. For some, we put them in some plastic bags, right? Quality plastic bags or maybe just plastic bags. And after that, some vegetables and spices are added. After that, the last stage in making noodles will be labeling and sealing. So that's the last stage. So when you're going to write this, right, we are going to start with the first stage. What is the first stage here? The first stage is the storage silos, right? Where we store from the storage silos, the flour is transferred using a truck, right? And then after that, they will put in the mixer. That is the second stage. And after that, in the mixer, the flour is mixed is what? Water and oil, right? Not just flour itself. We are going to mix the flour with water and oil in a mixer. Then this mixture, right? This mixture, the mixer is like a machine. Mixture is the combination of flour, water, and oil. That's the combination. That's called a mixture. The mixture goes through rollers, right? In order to make dough sheets. Here you can say in order to make dough sheets, for the purpose of the formation of dough sheets. So here you can play with words, right? And after that, sheets become strips. So from sheets to strips, there will be one stage, right? And from strips to discs, there is also another process. So these are like a step-by-step process, right? And after that, we also add cooking oil, right? Plus drying. So make the noodles dry and put them in cups, right? And after that, vegetables and spices are added. And after that, the last stage will be labeling and sealing. And our final product, instant noodles, will be ready. So that's how we are going to write this diagram. Okay. So like I said, when you start writing something, you have to start thinking about mixing, combining, right? Putting them together. So you have to start thinking about related vocabularies to the diagram or the process that you are writing. Okay. So that's it for now. And I hope you now understand how to write a diagram well.